Hi, it's Kevin Greeno from Blum, Canada, here to talk to you today about the AVENTOS HL top lift system. You've gone through the process of creating the cabinet, planning the system, and ordering the parts. Your parts have arrived, and I'm going to show you what you've just received by going through each box. So you will get the stabilization rod as one system. You will cut to the dimension that you need. We will also have the lift mechanism kit. Inside you'll get the instructions, you'll get 8 screws that attach to the system, and you'll also see that the lift system have these yellow tabs. These are the quick finding positioning clips for inside your cabinet when you install it. You'll also get the arm kit. Inside it, you'll find that you get the left-right symmetrical arms. You'll also get cover caps and connectors for the stabilization rod that once you've cut the rod, you will now attach these parts. Also too, we need the fixing brackets to assemble the door to the lift system. So I'm going to show you the lift system, the mechanism, and how it's easily installed using those quick find positions. I'm going to bring up a cabinet, and I've got a neat way to show you how that is done. We have me mimicking the inside of my cabinet. Going to get my mechanism. And from here, this being the front of the cabinet, I'm going to take my mechanism, I'm going to put it to the front using those yellow tabs as my front to back, slide it to the top, and from there I'm going to secure it and drive in the 4 wood screws. You see those screw markings here, 2 there and 2 down here. Once they're installed, left and right, symmetrical, there's no need to worry about a left and a right specific. You'll now have the mechanism installed, and we can proceed to the next step of installing the arms and the rod. So from here, I've already pre-installed the lift mechanisms and removed those tabs. And now we're going to show you the installation. So with the arms, I'm going to position them down with the plastic tab down. I'm going to drive this mechanism down. It may be in the up position. I'm just going to pull this down, and I'm going to insert this and put it in. A little bit finicky there, but I'm going to push it in straight and it'll lock in. From there, I'm going to push the safety release, and I'm going to extend the arm down, and it's going to find its spot naturally in here, and you can see that it just rides up and locks in place. Very simple. I'm going to do it on the opposite side. I am a right-handed user, so it might be a little difficult doing it on the left side, as everybody can attest to. So I'm going to put it in, and yep, see what I talked about? I'm going to put it in straight and lock it in. Very secure. I've already going to release that mechanism down, and you can see that it rides into the system and locks in very easily, very tight and secure. Now I'm going to put the door on first before I attach the stabilization or the cross stabilizer, only to show you what the difference is. With the front brackets pre-installed, with a calculation that you would do to put them in, I'm going to rest the arms or the mechanism in, and it's hooked on, so I can now just easily lock it in place. Now with the cross stabilizer not in place, I have a very wobbly door. So to remove, I'm just going to push away from me, drop it down, remove the door, set it off to the side. And I have a pre-cut stabilizer rod with the 2 components as I shown you earlier. This little one is going in the end. This unit is going into this side. They have a contour in, so there's no way of getting them wrong. They're going to go in one way only. Once they're hammered in, I will take my stabilization rod. Doesn't matter whether the spring is on the left or right, and it'll nest in naturally once I find that spot there, and it'll be synchronized on the other side. There it is. I'm going to slide that over, and the cover caps hide the hardware. Now I'm going to reinstall the door. Hook it on, connect. And now you can see that most of that wobble is gone. That is synchronizing the left and right of the system, so that way I can now shut it and be done with my AVENTOS HL top. For more information, follow us at Blum Canada, and thank you for your time and opportunity to discuss the AVENTOS HL top lift system.